Uh, Hello everyone, good evening. So here we shall solve some more KCET previous year questions on the chapter sets. So any doubts if you have in any steps, then please write that in the comment section. And in any other chapter of maths, if you feel more difficulty, then please mention the name of that chapter in the comment section also. We shall give more priority on it and solve more and more questions on that chapter. And some important homework questions will be uploaded in the Sapience Education application. So please install our Sapience Education application, whose link has been provided in the description. So in the first question it is told, which of the following is an empty set? X equals to x square plus 1 equal to 0, where x belongs to real number. So x square plus 1 will be always greater than 1 for all. So it will be always greater than or equal to 1 for all x belongs to R. So it cannot be equal to 0. So option A is the correct answer. Then in question number 2 it is told, in a certain town 65% families own cell phones, 15,000 families own scooter, and 15% families own both. Taking into consideration that the families own at least one of the two, the total number of families in the town is. So therefore, let's suppose let the total number of families in the town be x. So therefore let us suppose the set A and B, we can say the set A is the set of families who own cell phones, and set B represents the set the set of families who own a scooter. And so therefore the number of elements in set A, that is 65% of x, number of elements in set B, that is 15,000, and number of elements in the set A intersection B, it means those families who own both scooter and cell phone, that is equal to 15% of x. Now therefore n of A union B means the number of elements in A union B, that is equal to x. So therefore A union B, so this implies, this I can write the number of elements in set A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B, that is equal to x. So 15% of x means it is 0.15x, 65% of x means 0.65x. So this we can write 0.65 plus 15,000 minus 0.15x, that is equal to x. So therefore this is 0.5x plus 15,000, that is equal to x. So therefore 0.5x, that is equal to 15,000. So therefore x will be equal to 30,000. So option B is the correct answer. And in question number 3 it is told, suppose that the number of elements in set A, that is equal to P, the number of elements in set B, that is equal to Q, and the number of elements in set A intersection A cross B, that is equal to 7. Then P square plus Q square is equal to how much? So so the number of elements in A cross B, that is P into Q, that is equal to 7. So P and Q should be natural numbers. P and Q should be whole numbers. So therefore P can be equal to 7 or Q can be equal to 1, or P can be 1 and Q can be 7. Since 7 only has two factors, since 7 is a prime number. So therefore P square plus Q square, that will be equal to 7 square plus 1 square, that is equal to 50. 49 plus 1, that is 50. So option B is the correct answer. Then in question number 4 it is told that if A is the set of all the natural numbers from 1 to 10, then the number of subsets of A, the number of subsets of A containing only odd numbers is. So here the set which contains odd numbers, so here the set of odd numbers from the set A, that is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So it means, let us take the set B as 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So this set B contains all the odd numbers from the set A. So therefore the number of subsets of B, that will be equal to the number of subsets of A containing only odd numbers. To the number of subsets of A containing only odd numbers. So the number of subsets of B except 5, we should not take the null set. So it means that will be 2 power. So we know that the number of subsets of B will be, since there are 5 elements in the set B, so the number of subsets will be 2 power 5. But since 5 we have to exclude, so that will be 2 power 5 minus 1. So that is 32 minus 1, that is equal to 31. So option B is the correct answer. So hope all of you have understood the solutions of these 4 questions on sets. So still, if you have any doubts, then please write that in the comment section. We shall obviously clarify them. And in any other chapter, if you feel more difficulty, then mention the name of that chapter also. And please install our Sapience education application, where we shall upload some important homework questions which are based on the previous year KCET exam only, so which shall be helpful for your KCET exam. So thank you everyone. Bye.